SciShow! I can't believe it. This is so exciting. I really want to like just vlog the entire thing and bring you guys along with me. Oh, that means that if this video is up, then the SciShow video are also probably up. So definitely go check those out after this one. And hey, my name is Niba, and come along with me as I host SciShow. For anyone wondering what I'm talking about, SciShow is a channel about science news, so it's like a SciShow, get it? It was made a really long time ago by Hank Green, and now there's a bunch of other channels as well. I'm just a nerd who loves to find weird niche science stories and share them on the internet, and I'm very aware of the fact that I'm a small creator, and I feel very grateful that I get to do that here on NotesByNiba, and that's why every single one of your likes and comments means so much to me as a small creator. And that's why I'm also really excited to work with SciShow, because they have a whole team of people doing all of the filming and research and hosting and writing that goes into making all these videos. A lot of you guys might have seen, my videos or the final product of SciShow videos, but you don't see all the behind the scenes that goes into it. And so since I'm not the only person making this video, I thought it'd be nice this time to kind of take you with me along a little behind the scenes so you could see what's going on. Hopefully this inspires some people or just satisfies those of you with the curiosity about the media industry. If you want any more stories about science and nature, you can check out my socials. I'm at NotesByNiba on all platforms, and if you want to support me making more stories, you can check out my Ko-Fi. So now let's start the next chapter of my life as a SciShow host. So we just had the table read for the episodes, which is where the host and the production team read through the entire script in order to figure out tone, pacing, clarity, all that good stuff. Everyone has different ways of saying the exact same thing, so going through it beforehand helps me, as a host, find where there are places that feel kind of awkward or clunky to me, or places where there's a lot of excessively complex words, aka jargon, so we can go through and just smoothen that all out. We want to make sure the science is easy to understand and very accurate. Both in content creation and in science communication, you need a lot of dedication and energy to succeed. And to be honest, I don't even know if I would say that I've succeeded yet, because I still don't feel like I've hit a point that feels stable. But I do hope this video gives you some insight into the process, because I had no clue what was going on when I first started. For instance, I knew that people wanted to be a little more done up on camera, but I didn't really know what that meant. And so I understand now that it means that everybody should be done up in a way that first you want to feel very confident, and second of all, you want to feel like you are being true and to yourself and presenting yourself on camera. And so for me, that means good hair and makeup, but also I like to use my hands a lot and kind of gesture when I'm telling a story and carve out space. And so I really like having nails where the nails kind of are different colors, so you can kind of see when I'm doing that. And on that note, tomorrow I'm off to get my brows threaded. I'm off to get my nails done because currently they look like trash. And for filming, I would like them to look a little better than trash. Recycling, if you will. Since this was my very first time filming so many long episodes with SciShow, I kind of went all out in terms of planning and just being very type A about it. So I planned out all the outfits and the hair and makeup that would go with each one, and also some backups in case anything that I wanted to wear wouldn't look good on camera. This is the airport fit. I'm wearing so many layers because I don't want to wear a jacket. And Missoula is going to be 40 degrees. My flight has been delayed, so I have 30 minutes to make my connection flight. The flight I was supposed to board literally took off as I was landing, and now my new flight is going to leave at 9 p.m., which then means I will arrive around midnight. I'll have about 5.5 hours of sleep. On the bright side, at least I can post up some more here and get a bunch of editing done. Finally made it. I'm so tired. Normally I would try and like rehearse lines or something, but I think I'm just gonna go to the hotel and pass out. This hotel is so cute. I love how many primary colors are everywhere and the cute little guy over here. But this bathroom is the reason I'm even videoing this. At 1 in the morning, I have finally arrived. The shower is so big. Look how freaking large. I am going to wash my face and go straight to sleep. Good night. It is now 7 a.m. and 6 hours of sleep later. I'm actually feeling a lot better. I am so excited to be here. I love being able to share science stories, and this has been like a dream of mine since I came here once before when I was doing fellowship for like a really quick time, and I only got to shoot like 1 video, so this time I'm really excited that I get to do a whole bunch more. To have that makeup really stick all day for the next 12 hours, we're doing a bunch of primer. The Hydro Grip by Milk is the stickiest, best primer I've seen so far. I haven't found an eye primer I really love, but honestly, my eyes don't get super oily, and I'm gonna be touching up my makeup in between shots. I'm gonna be talking about everything from like electricity to Mount Denali to breast cancer, and that's something I just really love about SciShow, that they have like such a wide variety of subjects. I'm starting out with kind of a simpler base makeup and then making the makeup more interesting and like intricate as the day goes on. Here is the fit for outfit number 1. I'm not sure if this is the right vibe because I don't know if this color is going to clash with what's on set, but I figured I would dress in a more complicated outfit because I can always change once I'm there. And yeah, wish me luck. This is how teleprompters work. So it reflects up there. Is Wahlberg, and it's that one. Wow. Mickey D is over there. McDonald's is a time out.
I'm glad I'm sitting in front of the McDonald's archway.
Action. If you're a fan of science fiction or just really keen for humans to find alien life, you might have heard of the Drake equation. N is the number of alien civilizations that live in a given galaxy. Really wanted to wear some traditional Indian wear, so this is a little solar kameez. When you think of newer ways to generate electricity, this is Sarah. Monster Storm was first discovered back in the 1980s as the Voyager 1 spycraft.
I mean, you could say that.
Action.
But in addition to the whole rats are people problem, but that hasn't stopped companies from selling chromium supplements and making claims about how they'll help you with weight loss, muscle building, all while conveniently leaving out the risk of them damaging your DNA.
That's a wrap!
We did it. We did it.
Don't ask me how I did it. I just did it. It was hard.
Good. Ours. This is Savannah.
Hi.
They're your local library.
Yes, that's my TikTok username. It's a very good username. I'm so proud of it.
flight on the way out because I put it in my calendar in Pacific time instead of Montana time. So this week I've spent more time being delayed than being in transit. My new flight is going to be in 5 hours, and then I'll get home tomorrow at like, I don't know, 1 a.m. instead of today at 8. But you know what? There could be worse things. I'm done with the filming, which is great. I made the filming on time, which is also great. I get to see my cats when I finally get home tomorrow, which is also gonna be great.